I hope you enjoy some Jiu-Jitsu shenanigan clips today, guys. Yeah, so I'm playing some Jiu-Jitsu shenanigan clips. I've had so much fun with this game so far. I really hope y'all enjoy some of these clips. Me and my friend Xander, we were messing around, having some good old fun. So yeah, some of the clips do have voices. I had to mute it because some of the copyright music, but it's good. Xander, catch. Okay, bro. Oh my god. Where you at, bro? Where you at? Yo. No, no, but you dodged that, bro.
Oh!
So satisfying, bro. The black flashes. Oh man. Did you trip, bro? What the heck? Oh. Dang, bro. Okay. Okay. Yo. Missed the counter. Domain expansion. Yeah, it's free now. It's free.
Oh!
Yeah, I just got cooked, bro. I don't death gamble. That was tragic. Nah, I'm not gonna run, bro. I'm gonna fight you. I am macho, bro. I'm gonna fight. You may never see that coming. Oh, dang, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Cook. Oh, never mind.
Oh!
Just got sideswiped. The face, bro. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, you parried that? Yo. Wow, I'm gonna throw you down the stairs. Red? Yo. Meet me up on the skyscraper, Xander. Just meet me up here. Trust. No, come back, come back, come back. What you doing down there? Come back up here. Nothing bad's gonna happen, alright? Oh. Oh. Okay. I see you down there, bro. I see you down there. Can't hit me with that. You're about to get cooked. Oh my goodness, bro. I should have hit you there. Blue? Oh. Please, bro, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. All right, bro, you ready? You ready? I'm about to dodge this. I'm about to dodge this. No, we're not. All right. Hold on. Give me a chance. Okay, cancel that. Can't cancel that. Oh my god. Chill, bro. Chill. Okay, hold up. Let me cook. Or not cook. Oh my
Oh!
goodness, yo. Holy. Straight hands, bro. We don't need abilities. We can fight you hand to hand. Boom. Okay, maybe. Oh. Nah, hand to hand, bro. Hand to hand. Oh, well, I guess that's what I get, bro. Yo. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't mean it. Oh my goodness, I'm getting boxed. Yo. Oh. Oh no. I'm sorry. Oh, the range that was so dumb.